Hello, party people. So we just got done making the spectacular Dragonfly Jesse James beads project, and I was getting ready to clear my mat off, and just for funsies I was like, I can't just put these away. I already got everything out. So I'm gonna make another quick little bracelet, just not using a focal. I'm just gonna do a little stringing, and I thought I would bring you guys along for the ride. So this is going to be me using what's left of the Dragonfly mix from JJB. So let's get on into it. All right, guys, so this is what's left of my project after I did my Dragonfly bracelet. You can see a video for that as well. But I was just like, okay, I'm gonna clean it up, and then I was like, no, I'm just gonna make another bracelet because I got everything out here, and this is all I have. The only little cord I have left of that soft flex wire. So I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna wing out a video here. So here we go. I need a clasp. Need a clasp. Hey, look what I found over here. A little piece of stuff. Okay. So I am looking for a silver. Here's a toggle clasp. I don't know if I want to use a toggle, but I will. So I got a little toggle clasp going on. So I'm just like, we're already here. We already got it out. As you can see, and you guys know I really liked this Dragonfly mix because of those pearls. And in my opinion, all these beads in this mix, I really liked them a lot. So we're just going to use them because that's what you do. You just use them. So I don't have a plan for this. I'm thinking maybe what I'll do is I'm just going to string up what I have left here in some kind of order, and then call that a day. Maybe I will use a little more fairy silk to put on, just whatever. There just won't be a focal. That could work. So I'm kind of thinking I'm working from the outside. I found this little piece of tubing. This is just tubing that is covered in Swarovski crystals. So I thought, oh, well, I can use that. That'd be probably good. And I could go like this here. And I'm just going to literally work my way out like this. So I'm kind of designing on the fly here a little bit. And I don't know if we'll get to use all the beads, but we're going to try it. I feel like we should have some of these howlite spacers in there. Like that. And I really like these druzy ones. These are pretty neat. Some more howlite. I think I want to use a lot of these howlites to kind of bring it all together. So I got 2 left of those. I might, let me see. That's probably going to be big enough. It's probably going to be too big actually, but we still haven't been able to. We still got a little pile of beads over here. We're going to try this. Honestly, I feel like these two are probably going to be too big. You guys, Mr. Bunsen is on one today. So if you hear him meowing in the background, he is hurt. He got stung by a bee, I think. And his foot, his little paw is all swollen. And he's just been meowing. And I feel so bad, but I'm just like, yeah, I can't eat spicy bugs. I don't know to tell you about it. So I think he's going to be fine. I'm not too terribly worried. But yeah, I'm down here, Bunsen. He's awfully worried about where I am today. If any of you have cats, you know what this is all about. I am a new cat mom. I've only been a cat mom for not even a whole year yet. Mr. Bunsen is my first cat I've ever had as an adult. And let me tell you what, I don't remember it being like this. I don't remember it being like this, you guys, when I was a kid. Yeah, this is cute. And then I think what I'll do is I am going to add on a little howlite right here before we get to this tube. See these tubes, they just have holes in them so you can string them, which is quite nice because you can cut them to size. And then I'll just go back the other way. Yeah, I just couldn't bear myself to I couldn't just bring myself to put these in the box. I couldn't do it. They're so cute. I really like them a lot. And I really like the way that our Dragonfly bracelet turned out. That was quite awesome. And maybe, I don't know, you wouldn't necessarily have to wear these together, but you could if you wanted. You know, if you really wanted to be doing something, you could wear them together. Alrighty. So, just like that, you guys. I'm wondering if I should put a place for a charm. One second. There we go. So, I think I have room. I think I'm going to put it in between this one. This is just a bail. So I can put a charm on the end. You don't always have to use those to, you know, put charms on, but sometimes I like to use them. So now, I'm just going to zoom you out a little smidgy. And go back through here. This should fit in there. It does. And then we'll just crimp it. And we'll just have ourselves a wonderful day. We don't want this to be too tight. And I actually want the loop to be kind of big over here, because I feel like when you're not using Warrior Guardian, I like my loops to be a little bigger, so then everything can still move the way that it's supposed to. And then I'm just going to go in here with my beetle on cutter and give it a snip. Hey! And then we can add a charm to our little charm place right here. So I like to add on my bracelets, I try to get a double-sided charm. So I was thinking maybe Ooh, this little unicorn. That could be cute. Or, oh, here's a little butterfly. He's double-sided. That'll be cute. I was going to put one of those little sayings that come in all the butterfly packs, but the only one I could find was the sisters by not by blood one, and I kind of wanted to make a set with those, so I didn't want to use that. So I was going to use a little oval jump ring here. And we'll just attach him on. And again, you guys, if you liked this mix, I will just leave my link in the description box, and I'll also put in the cards for you the Dragonfly bracelet design that I just did. Like I said, this is, if you've been hanging out with me for any amount of time, you know I like to clean my way off my mat. I like to make products instead of just putting them away. I like to let's just whip up something else. So this happens to be just a little extra project for today from the beads. And you guys, look, we still have extras. We still have extras from this Dragonfly set. There was quite a lot of beads in there. So we currently got 2 bracelets. This one is 7 1/4 inches, and that was with me adding this little piece of tubing and this little bail for the charm. So 7 1/4 inches. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that extra little video this week, little project. I think it's really fun. I hope you guys will come to Morning Coffee on YouTube. It is a live chat where you can come and chat with me. I do designs there and talk about all kinds of little beady stuff, and you know, hang out with my friends. There's quite a few people who come to Morning Coffee and just hang out and, you know, let us know what's going on with their day or what they're making, or, you know, just get the updates. So everybody is welcome. Please come to the Morning Coffee. Starts Monday through Friday, every day at 9 a.m. So I invite you to do that. I'm going to leave in the description box a link to Jessie James Beads, where I got the Dragonfly mix, and all the other materials that I've been using for these 2 projects that I've made. It just happened to end up in 2 videos. So I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, give this video a share. That would all be very helpful, and I'll talk to you guys again. Bye.